Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of s from this given nice math problem. X raised to power 3 minus s squared is equal to 100. We want to find the value of s. Can you? But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation s raised to power 3 minus s squared is equal to 100. Now let us bring this 100 to this side. This is s raised to power 3 minus s squared minus 100 is equal to 0. But 100 is equal to 125 minus 25. Then this is s raised to power 3 minus s squared minus, let us replace 100 by 125 minus 25. This is 125 minus 25 is equal to 0. And this is s raised to power 3 minus s squared minus 125 minus plus 25 is equal to 0. 125 is equal to 5 raised to power 3. 25 is equal to 5 square. Then this is s raised to power 3 minus s squared minus 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 square is equal to 0. Now let us pair this to this and this to this. This is s raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 3 bracket. Then this minus, we have bracket s square minus 5 square is equal to 0. If you open the bracket with this negative, you have plus 5. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. And if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then this can be written as s minus 5 bracket. Here we have s square plus 5s plus 5 square, close the bracket, minus this s plus 5 bracket s minus 5 bracket, close the bracket, is equal to 0. You can see that s minus 5 is common. Let's bring it out. Here we have s minus 5 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by s minus 5, we have s square plus 5s plus 5 square, that is 25, minus, if you divide the whole of this by this s minus 5, we have bracket s plus 5 bracket, then we close the bracket, is equal to 0. Now this is s minus 5 bracket s square plus 5s plus 25 minus s minus 5, close the bracket, is equal to 0. Now this is s minus 5 bracket, this is s square plus 5x minus s, that is 4x, plus 25 minus 5, this is 20, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 5 is equal to 0. Then s is equal to 5. This is the first value of s. And the second case is s squared plus 4s plus 20 is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. From the quadratic general formula, s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of s squared. B is equal to 4, which is the coefficient of s. C is equal to 20, which is the constant here. Then s is equal to minus bracket 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 20 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 20, that is 80 over 2. Then S is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 80, that is minus 64 over 2. Then x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 64 can be written as square root of minus 1 multiplied by 64 over 2. S is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I. Square root of minus 64 is 8. This is 8I over 2. Then this is same thing as minus 4 over 2 plus or minus 8I over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. S is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4I. This is another value of S. Therefore, our final answer are S1 is equal to 5, S2 is equal to minus 2 plus 4I, then S3 is equal to minus 2 minus 4I. You can see that we have one real root and two complex roots. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong using the real roots that we have. Then we have the given equation to check. The given equation is x raised to power 3 minus x squared is equal to 100. Now, if x is 5, if s is equal to 5, this is 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 squared must be equal to 100. 5 raised to power 3, this is 125 minus 5 squared, this is 25, must be equal to 100. And of course, 125 minus 25, this is 100. The left hand side is equal to 100. The right hand side, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.